Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious mango fudge. First, select perfectly ripe mangoes for the best flavor and texture. You'll also need sweetened condensed milk, a touch of ghee, and some cardamom powder for that authentic taste. Having your pan and parchment paper ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's dive into the simple steps to create this delightful treat. Now, let's get our mangoes ready. Carefully peel 2 large, ripe mangoes, then chop them into small, manageable pieces. Transfer these pieces to a blender and process until you achieve a perfectly smooth, lump-free pulp. Remember, resist the urge to add any water. We want a thick, concentrated mango flavor for our fudge. This step is crucial for the final texture. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation: make your meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your mango fudge or any other treats. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With our mango pulp ready, it's time to cook the fudge. In a heavy-bottomed pan, melt 1 tablespoon of ghee over medium-low heat. Then, add the smooth mango pulp and the entire can of sweetened condensed milk. Stir this mixture continuously to prevent sticking and burning. Cook until the fudge thickens considerably and starts to pull away from the sides of the pan, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the fudge mixture is thick and glossy, quickly transfer it to a greased and parchment-lined tray. Use a spatula to spread the mixture evenly, ensuring a smooth, flat top. This helps create uniform pieces later. Now, the hardest part, patience. Place the tray in the refrigerator and let the fudge chill for a minimum of 2 hours or until it's completely firm and set. This ensures perfect slices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.